Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to show or hide the caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to launch the phone app and then tap on Keypad. Once you've selected Keypad, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, select Settings, and in your call settings menu, you want to tap on the option Supplementary Services. So wait for them to load. And once loaded, you should see two sections for SIM 1 and SIM 2 if you have two SIM cards added into your phone. So as you can see, because I have two SIM cards added, I have SIM 1 and I have SIM 2. So to show your caller ID, or to hide your caller ID, you should see this option, Show Your Caller ID. Select that. So by default, it's set to your network settings. So depending on your network, it can always show your caller ID or it hides your caller ID. So if you want to hide your caller ID because you're not sure if your network hides or shows it, just tap on Never. Wait for that change to be loaded, and now your caller ID will be hidden. If you want to show your caller ID, you can choose to tap on Always, or you can choose to set it to network default, again, depending on your carrier settings. Again, these instructions should apply for both SIM cards that you currently have added onto your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.